As the world's last so-called superpower crumbles, the GLA grows stronger, humiliating America by penetrating its own borders and raiding its weapons of mass destruction. Washington rumbles with the cries to abandon European bases and protect the homeland, and the GLA is determined to force this expulsion. The ranks of the GLA swell with countless victims of foreign aggression, and splinter cells unite against our common enemy. This inspiring statement comes from the GLA's Supreme Command. We are everywhere. No walls or boundaries will hold us back. No imperialist army will stand before us until all are free.
Stop them!
The Chinese base. We must strike now. Their base will soon be ours.
We're taking fire on the right flank! Support is needed here!
I'm just a peasant. Are there not better tools?
We need to bring radar online by upgrading it from the China Command Center.
Building construction has been completed.
It is imperative that you build a GLA Command Center.
It will look real nice when it's done.
Cannot we live in peace?
Upgrade complete.
This is hard work.
Our will is strong. Yes, I understand. Fast as I can.
Construction built to spec.
I will do this. Yes, I understand.
Oh, okay, I will work. This hammer is heavy. Cannot we live in peace? This is hard work.
China has been generous. Nice location.
Building construction has been completed.
Light tank of the GLA.
I am finished with the building. Do not hurt me. Work. That's a lot of supplies. Oh, okay, I will work.
Upgrade
No cost
complete.
is too great.
Build orders complete, sir.
Do not hurt me. I'm just a peasant.
We must eliminate the enemy's southern support base. The longer we wait, the more their attacks grow in strength.
This hammer is heavy.
I will do my best. It is good.
A warrior has fallen.
The higher order shall reign.
It is in our best interest to rescue the POWs from the clutches of the Americans.
construction has been completed. Do not hurt me. This is hard work.
Reports indicate that the POWs held captive in the US base will be moved soon. We must rescue them quickly.
Light tank of the GLA. Fast as I can. We have captured the building. It is good. No lack of courage.
Finished with the building.
Let's fight. We will not be oppressed.
Don't get on my bad side. Huh? Yes, yes.
Well done,
I'm just a
General.
peasant.
You have reached a higher rank. A warrior has fallen.
The building belongs to us now.
I will do what I must.
Our courage will be seen by all. I will do my best. No lack of courage.
Building construction has been completed.
I will do my best. Scorpion, ready to sting. Our will is strong. As your request. Very well. Yes, I understand. No lack of courage. Fast as I can. I will do my best. I will do this. We have captured the building. As your request. Scorpion rocket installed, sir.
Well done, General. You have reached a higher rank.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Do not hurt me. I will help.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Light tank of the GLA.
Okay, I will work. Okay, here I go.
Scorpion tank. Fast as I can.
A warrior has fallen.
Yes, I understand. It is good. Very well. Very well. It is good. Yes, I understand. Very well.
A warrior has fallen.
Yes, I understand. I will do this. They must die. We are the just
warrior
ones.
has fallen.
It will be taken care of. We are the just ones. These people will not be mocked. We are the
Well
just
done,
ones.
General. You have reached a higher rank.
fast as I can. Very well.
We are ready to travel home when you are.
We are the just ones.
Now our brothers may be free!
Fast as I can.
We need to deliver the POWs to their village so they can reawaken their terror cell.
The higher order shall reign. Yes, I go. We will not be hindered. Scorpion, ready to fight. Nothing will stop us. Yes, I go. No cost is too great. Their tools may serve us well. We will not be oppressed. Take us to glory. Nothing will stop us. We will not be hindered.
A warrior has fallen.
One path to freedom. The way is clear. We have captured the building.
The soldiers are safe, and their families are full of joy. They will fight with us, and we have been given more supplies as well.
Thank you for your help in rescuing my soldiers. We shall repay the favor and help you to take out the U.S. Central Command base.
I will work. Do not hurt me. If that is what you want.
Chain gun upgrade is complete.
I will work. This is hard work. Our work is complete. Our work is complete.
Lurking eyes at your
Are
disposal.
you ready? It is time. Speaker tower will be ready soon. Extra large. Speaker tower will be ready soon. Speaker tower is ready. I will crush. Speaker tower is ready. Overlord is waiting. Gatling cannon will be ready soon.
We will live in prosperity. That's a good choice.
What do you need? Are you? Gatling cannon is ready. I am. Gatling cannon will be ready soon.
Build orders complete, sir.
Gatling cannon is ready. It is time. Gatling cannon will be ready soon.
There is much money to be made.
Do not hurt me.
Gatling cannon is ready.
I will do what I must. I will work.
Overlord is waiting. Cannon will
I
be
will
ready
work.
soon. What do you need? I am big.
We have big plans.
Gatling cannon is ready. Are you ready?
What do you want with me? Our work is complete.
Ready for war. We will not be oppressed. Yes, I go. Prepare to fight.
Are you ready? It is time. Gatling cannon will be ready soon. Gatling cannon is ready.
My general, we need to build a Scud Storm.
Our way is through.
Are you ready?
Nothing will stop us. Freedom fighters!
Capture the US base and build it up. We can use their weapons against
One
them.
path to freedom. Our courage will be seen by all. The way is clear. No cost is too great. Yes, I go.
This supply source is depleted.
Are you ready? This is the Gatling cannon will be ready soon. Are you Gatling cannon is ready. I am big. Gatling cannon will be ready soon. I will crush.
We can now use our Scudstorm.
What is next? Gatling cannon is ready.
Launching Scudstorm.
I am in control. I am in control. What is next? This better be good. Nothing in our way.
Be on guard. We have exposed an enemy particle cannon.
I am in control. Overlord moving. Overlord moving. In a moment. I am in control. Overlord moving. This better be good.
Well done, General. You have reached a higher rank.
It won't be long. This better be good. In a moment. Nothing in our way.
We're coming up on a bridge. No Americans.
I have many bullets to spare.
It's very hot in here.
I will do my best. I have many bullets to spare. Very well.
It is very hot in here.
I have many bullets to spare.
We can now use our Scud Storm. Launching Scud Storm.
I am big. In a moment. I am in control.
Bridge up ahead. Looks heavily defended.
In a moment. I am in control. It won't be long. Nothing in our way. What is next? I will take care of it. It won't be long. In a moment. I see. Overlord moving.
They're attacking from the ground now. Defend our base.
They are pure.
Rapid fire!
I will take care of it. I see.
Rapid fire!
I am in control.
What?
Die, American!
This better be good. Is that all?
A war is falling.
What is next? I see. Nothing in our way.
A warrior is falling.
Is that all? I will finish this. Is that all? I will finish this. This will be over soon. Overlord moving. This better be good. I am in control. What is next? It won't be long. Overlord moving.
We can now use our Scudstone. Launching Scudstone.
I will take care of it. In a moment. This better be good. In a moment. I see. This will be over soon.
Victory will be ours.
Overlord moving. I am in control. This better be good. I will finish this.
Their particle cannon is no more.
They are nothing. I am in control. I will take care of it.
Their power is down. No Patriots to deal with.
Overlord moving. This better be good. I am in control. In a moment. I am in control.
We have them where we want them.
Overlord moving.
So much for American superiority.
I will take care of it. I will finish this. It won't be long. Is that all? I am in control. They are pure. I will finish this. They are pure.
We can now use our Scudstone.
What is next?
A warrior has fallen, launching Scudstone.
I see. I will finish this. It won't be long. Nothing in our way.
They cannot escape our wrath.
What is next? This better be good. They are pure. I will finish this. I will crush. Is that all? I will finish this. This better be good. It won't be long. Ready? I will crush. Are you ready?
We will have to hit them with everything we have.
It won't be long. It is Gatling cannon will be ready soon.
storage tanks sealed. Maintain a smooth ride.
Gatling cannon is ready.
Moving volatiles.
As accusations fly between Washington and Beijing over Chinese military hardware seized by the GLA, jubilation swept the world today as the United States began a complete troop withdrawal from Europe. Losing European bases to GLA infiltration dealt this humbled superpower a bitter defeat. The US president minimized the retreat as, quote, a priority adjustment to better defend the homeland, unquote. With America's influence a dying echo, we now look to the GLA and its brave leaders to show us the way to freedom. This is Omar bin Ghazali, signing off.